Hey Candice, this is Levi with Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. We are closing down here, but I did want to take time to show you real quick this brand new 2018 Chevrolet Traverse Premiere Redline Edition. This is one of the best SUVs I have on my lot right now. I did mention it's the Redline Edition, so it is a limited edition vehicle. You see you got the special wheels on it with also the special font there with the black and the red on the front. This one is in the Summit White. It's a very good looking SUV. You actually have a hands-free power lift gate there. So if you got your hands full with groceries or anything else, you'll be able to open that back up with no problem. Of course, you got your first and second row folding seats there. Captain's chairs in the second row. So that will all fold flat for you for that great amount of storage space. And of course, power lift gate as well. Come around the side here, you do have the lane departure, or the blind spot warning there. The alert there in the mirror. So I'll show you the interior of this awesome Traverse real quick. All right, Candice, now for the interior of this 2018 Chevy Traverse Premiere. You'll see a lot of similarities to the Denali on the interior. This one does have the jet black leather interior. The dual sunroofs there. You do have some different driving modes for this. Wireless charger, cooled and heated seats, dual climate control, so you'll be as comfortable as possible in this Traverse. You do have the Bose premium sound system still. Some of the features that set this one apart, you do have a 360 view camera, which is great with the backup camera, the parking sensors. That's great, but you also have, as you'll see here, a great feature is your rear view mirror. You fold a little tap down and that actually uses your backup mirrors to give you an unobstructed view of behind you. So when you're backing up, that will give you a much clearer view. It makes this thing very easy to park. The Denalis do not have this feature. Another unique feature is you do have your additional storage compartment here with a USB plug-in. So you have an additional luxury feature there. Of course, your second row here.